to change ourselves and the world around us. Sexual Kung Fu is a very powerful and ancient and effective way. These thousands of years old teachings spring forth from the internal alchemy techniques of the Nai Dan Kung, which means dragon portal lineage from the Kunlun mountains. And when we integrate them fully into our daily modern lives, something very interesting happens. We birth new ways of being and new pathways into spiritual awakening. Our dragon portal teachings offer the ancient sexual Kung Fu techniques, yet they are applied through new and more accessible ways of understanding, more female-oriented, creating light realities only without any light-dark dynamics. So we'll explore our sexual life force's infinite potential by liberating its true power, training our sexual energy through self-initiation. Learning to use it with full awareness naturally grows vitality, health, happiness, and eventually wisdom.